This is regarding justice system in India. The India accepted parliamentary democracy. Its justice system based on the views of legislation, executive, and judiciary. This this lecture is based on the three major acts: Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal and Civil Procedure, Indian Evidence Act. Justice is the first virtue. Social institution as truth is a system of brought John Revel. It is a unique system of the world. It is a essence of the dramatic democratic countries, but at present it has come of themselves on action. Pre-independence, it was implemented by the rulers and free administration was based on the three major acts: justice, connection of proper ordinary on this and the persons with local society. As it acceptance, it has been a subject to philosophical, legal, and theological reflection and the debates provide about it history. The nature of complaints questioned surrounding justice have been framed, debuted on or the course of Western history. What is justice? What does it demands of the individuals are social? What is the proper difficult definition of wealth and the resourceful in their society? Equally, metropolitic acceptance state of the some. These are the mysterious problem. Answer to this question from divide the adequate presentation of the po- political and philosophical system. Let us the accept in every base. None should be victimized. He or she should be given a justice as per the or his due rights. Justice delayed is justice denied. Only justice given in the court of is legal justice. However, the request arrest, revenge on me taken to meet the justice on the road is a crime. The crime is not accepted in civil society and such acts must be brought to justice. Burden of proof is important except it is the time what a criminal when the criminal liability is to be fixed whether has a power in innocence or state has to prove his guilt beyond all reasonable doubts. One woman went to his king and demanded justice in the husband's death. The, she said that his husband was killed by the authority. He said that king says, "You kill me." When that lady she's aggrieved, immediately answered that I have come here to not take revenge, but to take action under legal. Justice not to be taken revenge. It is a democracy, judicial, in administrative by the judiciary with his the proof of the three pairs: legislative, executive, and the judiciary. If, if A has intensified repress, if anybody is inflicted injury to B must be or rewarded damage. Inquiry demands includes mind, reputation, and property. The present should be punishment should be remotivate and are not democratic. Mahatma Gandhi or concept open jail, let 100 criminal be released, but an, an, an innocent should not be hanged. You may not take life if you cannot restore it. In infringement of fundamental rights, Justice of India, it is just classified criminal justice system. The offense, one side, criminal, civil, cognizable, non-cognizable. Incognizable, offense against body, offense against property. Offense committed in society, report at the police station. FIR under 154 CRPC, 156 3 CRPC, and 202 CRPC. Panchanama 102 CRPC. Statement of witnesses under section 160 to 161 and 162. Object then the habit taken, change and the produced regular offense. Property movable to or be seized. Exhibits to the examination of the legal forensic science. Other opinion of the expert of fingerprints and handwritings. Statement of witnesses not signed. Statement of accused 24, 25, 26 Indian Evidence Act and say 160 CRPC. Extra judicial statement dying declaration as 32 of the Indian Evidence Act. Search, seize and arrest, remand, bail, opinion of expert, handwriting, fingerprints, ballistic experts, makes a ordinary course of business. Criminal analysis, defined request conviction by the magistrate. Typewriter, telephone, email, at various institution, bank, post, and documents, certification, admission. Elimination of system, Indian parade of identification from the inquiry original PM report. Various viscera is to be sent, scientific conduct, other criminal aspects. production of absconding, A summary, but true but undetected. B summary, maliciously false. C summary, neither true or not false. Distribution accused is under section discharge accused under section 69. If there is no prima facie evidence, death inquest, coroner magistrate. In the case of Sushant Rathod, recently occurred in the Bombay city, their information about the inquest, that is 1 CRP 174 CRPC. In that, police are restricted to make inquiry about the cause of death. That is to be ascertained from the experts. In the in this case, it has not been alleged about the crime. That's why the police have kept their investigation restricted to the ascertain the cause of death. If it is a homicide, suicide, or accident. After making the investigation, it has been found that no homicide is taken place, no accident is taken place, and third is the C summary. We are not in position to say how the person died or received the injury. In that case, under C summary, it has been closed and inquiry is stopped. Police station charge. Once police station warns to accused under the previous provisions of 163 164(7), you are not bound to make a statement. It should be true and voluntarily. It should be used against you as evidence given by you in spite of the intervention. Him, it does not change in the in his mind in the camp. Extrajudicial confession, accused is admittedly his guilt before the person in and conducted knew that it will be it will be used as evidence against him. Person tells lie, but circumstances cannot. From the police station, the charge sheet is submitted to the court. In the court, the summons, warrant, and the is presence of accused and the complainant to be remain in the court. Issue process the summons, warrants, bailable, non-bailable, declare, absconder, confession under section 164. Examination of personnel is a prosecution when cross-examination is the defense, production of the exhibits through process, wards, witness and the police. Examination of the is a defense witness. Owner examined of independent witnesses observe that in front of the hostile action X by absconding argument is a prosecutor. Argument of this defense witness, a defense lawyer, interview if law, admonished, warning, similar impression, or court lies, fine. Pronouncing the judgment, a request to appeal is granted, not granted. Released on the bail till the appeals is over a conviction, it used against the individuals for preventive actions. Person around the best covered witness will be charged law and the against by proved beyond the all reasonable doubts till the time is called innocent. Can lodge a plain difficulty to civil witnesses, plenty will be examined, and the summons of any, the court accepts the evidence through the affidavit and must be the procedure in criminal case. After in the court, the civil courts, and when it is a criminal liability is cannot be attributed from the person. These cases have been tried by the city civil court. So civil justice system is a similar like a criminal justice system where summons, warrant, etc. is there. Simple imprisonment as per the manual, rigorous imprisonment, parole, police chain details, punishment undergone at jail, punishment under 153 IPC, accused are liable to under the provisions of IPC. First, death. Secondary, imprisonment. Third, denied delegated by the Act 17 of the 1947, Section 21. Inquiry pronounced that is with handwriting or symbol. Firstly, forensic or taking fine 56 and 65 and 66 imprisonment of non-significant this. 77 judgment acting a judicial action be proceed. Civil Procedure Code. Uh, it is chapter proceedings made by the police or taking a prohibited for uh, provided in the 56 and 57 of the Bombay Police Act, where it has been stated that a person who is having a conviction, and again he is found in committing the offense, it is showed that he had got a tendency to commit a crime. That's why that person can be 30 par, or it is external out of Greater Bombay and the Thane district limits for a year of 1 or year of 2. And in 57, the offense committed to property offense is also to be involved in a similar offense can be extended. 57, a person having a conviction of the property offenses and again involved in the similar offense can be external. 107 CRPC likely to indulge similar offense again can be obtained bound of good behavior. If person found individual likely to be convicted, various offences can be asked to furnish a bond of good behavior. If person found in replies the legal activities and not nothing to activate the clutches of the law can be dedicated to the special executive magistrate or divisional ACP and the asking to to criminal to criminal to first bond after action. It is funny that in 110 CRPC, it has been there based on the persons who has likely to commit offense or designed to commit a cognizable offense. Such person can be detained by the judicial magistrate or the ACP in the metropolitan cities. In that case, it has been asked to produce the similar cross examination, cross sureties. Unless he produces the cross surety, he will be detained in the police custody only. It is always happened that the girl was assaulted or done any other things. It is appropriate place. It's called a harassment to the woman. Opinion of expert is admissible because expert in is familiar in the profession to log time this contact concept taken to the above account. Individual parade person is seen by the witnesses in the society. True of convicted comes to a mind of the ground and allow witnesses to identify because of the examination of magistrate. It's called identification parade. During the declaration of admissible, dying will be not meet his maker with a uh, lie in his mouth. Summary statement of record made in the ordinary course of business is admissible. Damage in 44 IPC detained deranged mind returned is reputed property and mind reputation of property. Statement and the police is not admissible teaches in the proceedings of trial. It is obtained with the threats, inducement, and promised. Statement. See, the police is arrested and demanded to the police custody. Um, that accused will demand that he was harassed, or then in that case, this police officer before taking a remand is conducting a medical examination of the accused, and then after release, in whatever statement or allegations he has made to be proved by whatever he has said in the beginning. Statement before the magistrate under section 164 CRPC, magistrate recorded a confession of the accused. What is the accused under the provisions of the 154 CRPC? You are not bound to make. It should be voluntarily and true. It should be used against him as a evidence given him in spite of the individual time. If does not change his mind, he will be again called. Extra or judicially confession again called and then final. He is called by the magistrate under section 154 against provisions of 164 CRPC. You are not bound to say. Extrajudicial confession. Extrajudicial confession is accused in admitting his guilt before a person to confidence that he knew that it will be not to be disclosed to anybody since and as an evidence against him. Person can be tell lie, but circumstances cannot stay. Fingerprint evidence is concluded because rights it is based on the richest of the persons. These are the permanent and not to be changed till his death. Has handwriting expert of other experts' evidence is to be concluded, but it should be corroborated by the criminal evidence. Telephone conversation are not accepted by court unless it is corroborated by the various circumstances and the fact. Expert must be expert expert must depose by himself or by any other witness. If the witness is not available and a record is available, or the record proving is a similar, the handwriting is a similar, and the owner and the conviction will be based on writing of the unavailable person can be extracted, it can be accepted. Previous conduct is not admissible. Statement of a concept is not admissible. Hmm. Statement of accomplished is not admissible. Hostile witness, if any person do not stick to his own statement before the police and before the magistrate, it can be declared as hostile witness and cross examination again by the prosecution lawyer. Cross examination not to change the veracity and inflict the character. In the examination, two powers have been given to the cross-examining advocate that his witness uh, will be impeached his character and challenge his veracity. Cross-examination not to be challenge the faculty is lacking a direct person called innocent, although he is arrested any and granted proved to the beyond all reasonable doubts. If person is innocent until he is convicted by the court, who is only called accused. It otherwise it can be accepted as a suspicious. Okay. It if the benefit of a doubt is to be given, his acquittal is not accepted by the variation of the although a case a courts is service and the other allotment. Unless 48 hours are in the police custody, he is not to be called innocence. No action is taken by the employee to employ private or the government sectors. It in 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 question of the uh, paramount of the natural death of a person when it is according to the hospital sudden or can be classified uh, as a accidental or homicide. General terminology. Person arrested, male or female, will be dismissed from the service. A person and conceptions, moral courage. Offense brought given on this 123 is IPC, a wrongful based on the attribute. 34 IPC is a furtherance of the common intention. Second, benefit of doubt includes a one of these accused is proved to his guilt according to law, or say life is up to 5 years. Good white collar crime, accept anticipatory bail, judicial juvenile delinquency, human rights commission, reveal right of right to know information. According to application under section 304 IPC makes a difference that 3904 is a culpable homicide not amount to murder, whereas a 304A is called accident. Application of the 198 AIPC, dowry deaths, sexual harassment at workplace, remand and home based on the school prohibition of other persons, human rights and guard will be recorded. Other legislation of the police officer is avoid against fraud. In spite of these various evidence is justice, is there is other revenues open. FI under section 153 IPS IPC, magisterial inquiry under section 202, and direct complaint to the court by the complainant. Accept the human rights and connection and commission for the irregularity acted by the given to the judiciary. Right of information. Direction crime states with 7 years that because prosecution left his office by the leave and the prosecution according to the 16 years. Child 16 to 18 years. Children's Act, postal school and remand home. Re- rescue home for the woman. Extortion, encounter, competition, other changes, and employees of the National Bank and the other central governments and the state governments. Public servant is to be defined in 21 IPC. The offense committed by these officers or employees by the central government and the state governments can be dealt separately. President and secretary to cooperative society cannot be a public servant. Private medical practitioner is not a public servant. Burden of proving a insecurity under incense under section 84 CRPC. The insane or lunatic definition is a person who is not giving a relevant answer to his question, he will be treated as a lunatic. 92 Act does not good effect to the benefit of the person without a consent. A right of private defense 97 Indian Penal Code. Firstly, his own body and the proper body, are any other person. Secondly, he is movable or immovable, and himself or any other persons. Have medicals decide to mischief, dacoity, and robbery, etc. 120B, punishment under 128 to a person gets it to be or a cause of bound to at allegation act alleged act under section 2 not illegal means such a agreement is a disciplinary second prospect. FIR of the FIR at the instance and accused is indeed admissible, but in the prosecution is wrong is admissible. Do what a pan accept is not order. Uh, Our position, adverse position. Adverse position is that a person who is staying in the house for long time, it's called adverse position, and that person who is staying there for a long time cannot be evicted without the order of the court. Panchanama word is not mentioned anywhere in the law, but it was based on the public opinion. The person who is innocent, having a clean record from the same locality, if they will be accepted the punch. Cruelty to animal is an offense. National bird has a special privilege to nation's leader. Hunting is an offense under sports. Lunatic is a person who is not giving a relevant answer to the question put to him under Section 30 of the Lunacy Act.